Leather shoes, dirty like this, wow, crusty. No problem with a leather shoe cleaner, small bottle, big bottle, our COLOURLOCK leather brush, what you need, and a little bit tap water. Now step by step, how to clean this real leather shoes. First step, remove the laces, important, and then prepare the cleaner. 1:1 dilute with water, so that is 250 ml water. Mix it together. When you need less, you can use less, of course. When you clean everything, it's not necessary to wash it out with clear water. Don't do this, just clean it with our cleaner and let it dry slowly, not directly in the sun, not separate or extra heat, just room temperature, let it dry, and then look how the result is. A few hours later, the leather is dry, looks beautiful again. To get this fluffy effect here, I recommend to use the dry brush and just wipe over the leather that you get all the fluffy fibers back. And to protect, we recommend to use a waterproofing spray, 2 small thin layers over this. You can dry it with a heat gun, get a better effect, but you don't have to.